How to fix 100% CPU usage on Roblox. I'm going to show you two fixes. The first one, we want to right click on the taskbar, on our taskbar, and then we want to go to Task Manager. Now make sure you have the Roblox client open. As you can see, I've already have one game running, and then we want to locate the Roblox client like so. Under Apps, right click on it, and then you want to select Go to Details. Once we have selected this, it will highlight the Roblox player like so. We want to find it and we want to right click on it once more, and this time we're going to hover over set priority and we want to set it to high. So then we want to click on change priority. So once we have clicked this and set it, the next thing that we need to do is click on the search bar from our taskbar and search for background apps. Right here where it says let apps run in the background, we want to uncheck this. So that should hopefully fix your 100% CPU usage on Roblox. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.